Hi students, this video is to show you how to use the Tiny Scanner app on your phone to scan documents. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the app, Tiny Scanner, and you're going to click the camera button at the bottom. And this will allow you to take pictures of your pages. So I'm just going to use this workbook as an example. So you're going to zoom out so you have the entire page in your screen. Take a picture, and then you're able to move the blue dots in the corners to crop your image however you want it to be cropped. Click the check mark, and then you can change the contrast on here and make sure it's legible. You can do it in color. And you can play around with that. Just make sure that your work is legible, and once it looks the way that you want it to look, you can click the check mark again, and then you'll see it on your screen. Then you can continue to, you click the check mark, hit the camera button again, and take a picture of the second page. Crop the image to your liking. Click the check mark, adjust the contrast. Click the check mark again, and you'll see both pages on the screen. And then you can hit the share button, the bottom right corner, and you can choose to email a PDF file. So you're going to export as a PDF. Click email, and then choose whatever email account you want to use on your phone. Email it to yourself, save it to your computer, and then upload it into the appropriate Dropbox folder. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thanks for watching.